Hello guys, today we'll see how to add a downloadable file to your WordPress site. Let's say you have a website, and you want to give your visitors a way to download files from your website. You can do that easily by watching this video. So after watching this video, you will be able to add a downloadable button to your site like this. And if someone clicks the button, they will be able to download the file by clicking here. And the file will be downloaded like this. So let's start the video. First, go to the site where you want to add the downloadable file. So to add a downloadable file to this site, we are going to do two steps. The first step is to upload the file to your site. So to upload the file, let's go to your WordPress dashboard. Now go to Media. Click Add New. And it will take you to this page. Now to upload the file, just drag the file from your computer and drop it here. As you can see, your file has been uploaded. Once you have uploaded your file, you have to go to the next step, which is to add this file to your site. So to do this, just go to where you want to add this file. Click Edit Post. Now go to the place where you want to add the file. Now let's say you want to add the downloadable file here. First you need to add a download button. So to add the button, just click the plus icon. Select the button element. And as you can see, the button has been added. Now enter the button text you want. I'm going to enter Download Demo. Now add your file to this button. Just click here. And it will ask you to enter the link on your file. So to get the file link, let's go back to your WordPress dashboard. Here you can see Copy URL to Clipboard. So click here to copy this link. Now go back to this tab. And then paste it here. Now click here. The file link will be added to your button. Now when someone clicks this button, and you want your file to open a new tab, just click the Edit option. Go to Advanced. Tick the box and press Save button. Once you have added the link. Now to save the changes, just click Update. Your file will be added to your site. And your visitors will be able to download this file from your site. Let's check it. You can see that, now we have the download button on your site. If your visitors click the button, your file will be opened in a new tab. For download, just click here. Select the location where you want to save the file. And then click Save. Now as you can see, your file has been downloaded. This way you can easily add downloadable files to your website. You can also check our other plugins. We have several WordPress plugins. The most popular plugins are Top Table of Contents and WP Mobile Bottom Menu. Check out the link in the description. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any queries regarding this issue, feel free to ask them in the comment box. And if you like the video, give a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.